Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. Now I'm not going to say, see, I expected this, I told this, Nifty will go and touch 17,400, Bank Nifty will go past 40,500. I'm not going to say this. I really, honestly speaking, I never expected this. In fact, yesterday's video, I told 17,000, it may touch, if we keep on going this way, maybe 17,000 we will touch and Bank Nifty will break 40,000, right? And I told it was very confusing market, and still it is confusing. If you think the market has rallied today, I think Nifty has gone above 17,400 levels. 17,350 was very crucial support, resistance. It has broken that and it has closed above 17,400. And Bank Nifty, oh boy, it has crossed 40,500. That was a crucial resistance. That is also crossed and it has gone to around 40,700 levels, right? Now, if you think that because of this rally, you might go long in the market and you can maybe short sell put options, you are 100% wrong. Why am I saying this? In spite of this rally, still FIAs are having huge short positions in index future, and they have sold today also in cash provision market. We'll see one by one. See, what I'm trying to say is, all levels are very important. If you play by the levels, maybe you will make money. Price action is very, very important, and you will have to give some importance to support and resistance. That's what I am trying to say here, right? So let's see one by one. We'll see what is the next level going forward, what is the open interest, and if you see open interest wise, all call raters, oh my god, they have to run for cover. And you know what happened, this thing I told yesterday, if there is a rally in the market, this call raters have to run for cover. In fact, day before yesterday thumbnail we have put that call unwinding might happen, and this call raters will run for covers, run for cover, and that is what has happened today. So much of call raters, whoever had written so much of call options, have to run for cover today, and very, very low call rating happened today, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. We'll see that also, right? And this is not. This is the open interest. We'll talk about open interest later. Before that, I'll tell you something about Sensible. Just give me not even 1 minute. Sensible is giving free pro plan for users of Zero, the Angel One, Upstock, then 5 Paisa and IAFL. So if you are using these brokers, you can use free pro plan worth 800 rupees free of cost. No debit card, no credit card information asked, no question asked. So if you want, you can subscribe. The link is on the description below, right? So this is the chart of Nifty. Okay. Now, if you see this one for 17,400, if you are following us, I have been saying 17,400 is a very, very important resistance. If at all this budget day low of 17,250 levels are sustaining and 17,300 levels are sustaining, we might see 17,400, and that is what exactly happened here. So if you can see today's price action, it was twice, not only twice, from morning 10 a.m., then around 12:30, then around 1 o'clock. We saw thrice, before Europe opened, we saw thrice market trying to breach the support of 17,400, right? So 3 times it was trying to breach, but Europe was positive, global cues was positive, then we rallied, and we almost touched 17,500. We didn't touch. In fact, high was around 17,450 or 60 levels, 75 levels. So now what is going to happen? In case we are not getting global cues, positive global cues, if we are getting, let's say we are getting negative global cues, we may test 17,400. For now, 17,400 is the support. And what if the market goes up? If we are having positive global cues, US futures, US market is in the green, Europe is in the green, what is going to happen? We may test 17,500, which is also a crucial resistance. So 17,500 was tested earlier on 23rd of February. Then we tested it we tested that on 23rd of February twice. So it might act as a good resistance, 17,500. That is also a GAN number you have to remember. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, we told that 40,500. Now, in spite of Nifty going till 17,250 levels, Bank Nifty was holding for the last 2 days. It was super strong. It was holding 40,000 levels. No matter what happened, it was holding very strong. 40,000 was a super strong support. In fact, people who had written 40,000 put option were very, very smart people. If you are one of those smart people, let me know on the session below, comment section below. And 40,000, Bank Nifty was holding to 40,000, such a strong conviction, and it rallied towards 40,700 levels. Here also you can see around 10 o'clock today morning, it tried to, there was lots of price action, 3 or 4 candles, 2-way, 3-way direction, 5 minutes candle. Then it was absolutely bulls who won the war, and they took it towards around 40,600 level. Again they came twice, around 12:30, then around before Europe Open, they tried to breach 40,500 levels, and eventually they closed at around 40,700 levels. Now, what is going to happen in case if the market goes up? We might test 40,100 levels. I know, see, 40,700 to 40,900 is not a big deal for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is an index which can move even 1,000 or 1,200 points, or we have seen Bank Nifty moving more than 1,500 to 2,000 points, right? In special occasions or binary, even we have seen Bank Nifty. So I am not going to be surprised if Bank Nifty touches 41,000 tomorrow. So it is purely up to how global cues pan out and other things pan out. So we'll have to wait and see how things are going to come out, right? So again, I'm saying it might be a trap, so be cautious. I'm not saying I'm bullish. It might be a trap. We are level players. We are playing with the levels. So I can say that maybe this is being a trap, right? So we'll have to wait and see how global cues pan out. Be cautious. Premiums are ultra low. Don't try to trade in weekly options at all. It is going to kill you like anything. Today alone, VIX fell more than how much? If I am right, VIX alone fell more than 7.7%, 7.28% to be precise. Such a low VIX, and if you trade in weekly options, you are going to be killed both way. All the stop losses will be hit today. Had you traded today, maybe you would have made this 920 straddles and all, algo and all is not going to work anymore. So be careful and trade cautiously. And don't go long in the market. Maybe you can sell. See, even if you want to sell call options, premiums are very low. How you can sell now? If you ask me, this is not the right time to enter the trade at all. Maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, had you entered when the VIX was high, you would have made good money. But now if you enter and VIX will drop, if the market comes down, VIX will drop, then it is going to be a very hard thing to handle for you, right? And this is in terms of charts, and I hope you have understood. And when it comes to open interest, as I told you, lots of call writers had to run for cover. 17,000 yesterday, we saw 17,400 people wrote huge number of call option. They had to run for cover, even 17,300, 17,350, and tomorrow what is going to happen, we don't know. In spite of market going, I think Nifty has closed around how much? Nifty has closed around 17,450 levels. Still, there are people who believe that 17,500 will not be taken out. That's why you cannot see any short covering, short unwinding in 17,500 call option. So this is why I told be cautious, right? You have to be cautious because this might be a trap. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, you know what happened. People even wrote 40,300, 40,200, 40,400, 40,500. All people ran for cover, and it's absolutely 41,000 which is holding. We'll see tomorrow if we are taking Bank Nifty is taking out 41,000. and Nifty is taking out and we'll see if Nifty is taking 17,500. And if you see today also, as I talked to you, FIs have sold around for 424 crores, and DIs have bought for around 1,498 crores. And when it comes to US futures, all US futures are all in the green. In fact, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, German, France, FTSE, everything is trading at 1%, and the US futures are trading less than 0.5%. And market participant wise, you can see still they are having 1,60,465 active contracts. Now let me show you the screen. Let me change the screen and show you. As of 27 March, there were only 147 active contracts. Now that has changed from 27 to 28. They have changed it from 147 to 60,000 contracts. Now today also they would have added some short futures. That's why I am saying it is a trap. Okay. So the conclusion is, don't believe in this market. This might be a trap. In spite of market rallying, in spite of market going up, there is no call unwinding at even 17,500 and 41,000. And futures, index short futures, FIAs have increased the index short futures, and FIAs are still net sellers. So remember all this point. This might be a trap, and trade accordingly. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.